Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing for the month of July. And let me just say, I don't really know how I feel about Ricky's anymore. If this box isn't great, I will most likely cancel. Alright, so let's just get into it, and then I will tell you my thoughts on whether or not I am planning on keeping this. So this month we got 5 things, and the first thing I see is Bat Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum from Smack Beauty. And it's a volumizing lash serum. Use daily for best results. It has biotin to help them grow naturally. Okay, I'll try it. All right, the next is from Ricky's home brand, and this is Ricky Care Backstage Travel Wipes. Okay, I'll use these two. Paraben free, it has aloe, vitamin E, and chamomile. Next thing is from LA Splash, and this is the Wickedly Divine liquid lipstick in the color Death Dealer. I like the name, reminds me of Harry Potter. I'm not even gonna swatch this because I've gotten something from Ricky's from this brand before. This is the most drying liquid lipstick I've ever tried. So I will not be using this, I will just pass it on. All right, it has 2 more products in here. The first one, again, is from LA Splash, and this is the Waterproof Makeup Remover. Oh, that's an adorable bottle. I mean, I'm assuming it's like oil cleansing, which, I mean, as cute as the bottle is, that's very, very, very small. And the last thing is from Glamazon, and this is the Blushing Beauties blush, I'm assuming. Please be orange, please be orange. Ah, motherfucker. Oh! It's not orange, but that's fucking gorgeous. I'll use this on my eyes. Oh, God. No. This is like, it feels like there's sand in this. That's not good. Ugh, God, I don't know. Like, Ricky's just pisses me off. Again, this would have been good, like, as an $11 box, but I'm not feeling it. I might give it 1 more month, but next month is my last month. August is gonna be my cutoff. It's either gonna be better and I'll keep it, or it's gonna be just as blah and I will get rid of it. So that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed my negativity. I don't think Ricky's is a bad company or anything like that, but I just feel like, I just kind of felt like duped with the whole price raise thing. Like, I'm still really salty about it, to be completely honest. I don't know, it just left a bad taste in my mouth. It's like, what, if more people are gonna sign up, are you gonna raise it again? Like, I don't know. Like I said, this was good for 11. I wouldn't recommend it for 14. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next month's possible final unboxing. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.